means you have 99 diamond on your Chamet app. Hey guys, my name is Nirmal is this, and in this video we are going now that how to get free 99 diamond into your Chamet app. Here you can see don't have any diamond. Here you can see don't have any diamond. Okay, you can see this is real the Chamet app and don't have any diamond. If you are really unlimited diamond, free diamond, just follow my few step you have to follow me. Okay, just here first step is copy your id and my profile. Click here, copy your id. Copying, just click on edit button, and here copy this id and here copy this id. Need to copy, just click on the copy button and your id has been copied successfully, and just choose you have Chamet app. Again I to show you the proof that and any diamond, and believe to me I want to show you that here you can see the proof that any diamond and coin diamond. Okay, just remove of Chamet app from the background, and you second step in open any browser and open any browser you have. You can also you open you use Chrome browser. What you have just in here you have to search your search and website search. Okay, after searching you can see 3C page settled on your node charts. Click on this. Okay, after checking you will see the site. Okay, scroll down until you find this option Chamet app free diamond. Okay, you can see click on the first one free diamond, and here you can see again page scroll down. Here you can see to first one is exchange your id. Copy you exchange paste the Chamet app id copied recently from the Chamet app. Okay, just paste. Okay, and you second box you have to copy your name, so you can you just you can where you typing to carefully second box but carefully, and step is you click on the submit button. You can see color, just click, and now you can see guys that you got a message, congratulations, your task has been completed, and you got check your app you update you last time. Okay, just open your Chamet app again, Chamet app again, it didn't happen. And okay, click on the Chamet app and again see the proof that you have successfully means you have 99 diamond on your Chamet app and your Chamet app. So guys, you timing you have 99 coin and back button, click here and 99 coin. Anything you are keep. See guys, it is real video, not like everyone, it is real. You hope guys you like the video, and please guys believe on me, it is totally real video guys. If you facing any problem to get free, just do comment, I will help you. Thank you so much.